Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you my beauty empties for the last few months. So if you're curious what's inside, please carry on. This bag, it's kind of full, so I'm gonna empty it out and then we're gonna start. Since I have so many empties, I decided to split them out, and in here I have my hair and body products. So I'm gonna make a start. I was gone for the last few months, and where I was really humid, and even when you take a shower, you go out, your body was already sweating. So even if I put a lotion, guess what? I was sweating right away. And because of that, I was using more hydrating shower gels. So in that case, they were cleaning my body, but also leaving that light layer of hydration. And at that time, I was using the Dove Deep Moisture Skin Natural Nourishes Instantly Soft Skin Elastic Nourishment. And yes, it's a huge bottle. That's the 1 liter or 34 ounce. If you live in a humid climate, this is nice, but if you want something really hydrating, this is not enough, so you have to add something on top of it. But if you want something light to go, you know what, this one was nice. Ooh, I have from Soap & Glory creamy body wash, 3-in-1 cleanse shave moisture. I use this as a shower gel. You can also use it as a shaving cream. As a cream, I would say it's a little bit thick, and the cream can stuck inside your razor. But if you use the foam, it's way better. It has a nice sweet scent, but it's not overpowering. Shea butter, cocoa, grapeseed, sweet almond, macadamia, nut oils. So similarly was nourishing as the Dove one. Then I have from the same brand their Scrub of Your Lives. So this is a shower gel but with a little bits. So in case if you wanna do, let's say, exfoliate your body and then take a shower, this like is 2-in-1, so you can easily save yourself some time. It's more fresher and it's not as sweet as this one. And what it has, moisturizing formula. I don't think it gives the scent of it, but it is really pleasant, so it is a nice item. And then I have their Flake Away body polish, so actual body exfoliator, no, body scrub. Here we go. It's sweet, but so it's gonna go in a similar vibe as this, but because it's a scrub, you're gonna just wash it down wash it down the drain. But yes, it do a nice job as a body scrub. British Road Instant Glow Body Butter. As a butter, it's really nice. It's a little bit thicker, and afterwards it gives you that nice smooth, I'm not gonna say, yeah, let's call it a nice illumination. It was nice, but because it's a butter, of course, was a little bit thicker, so it's a perfect for the cooler months, or if your skin is really dry. Then from the same line, I have their shower gel, which took me by surprise because you don't need to use a lot, and it gives you a lot of foam, and it smells like roses. It's not like the fresh rose, it's okay, it says British rose, so it's more of a, it's hard to describe. It is a rosy scent, but it's not one of the sweet scent or one of the pure rose scents. It's a little bit different. Then on a similar note as the Dove, I have small sample of the Nivea body wash with Nourishing Serum. Because it has a serum in it, it didn't really foam. It's more of a cream. So similarly as with the Dove, it did clean your skin. It gives you a little bit of a hydration. But if your skin is really dry, or you have eczema and you do need to put a layer of moisture, this is not enough. What else I have? Oh, I have the Cetaphil, that's the Daily Advanced Lotion, ultra hydrating, dry, sensitive skin. It didn't smell, it didn't job. It was fine. There was nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna move into hair. I have Detangler from L'Oreal. Yes, it's for kids, but as a detangler, it did a job and it smells nice. That's their sweet percent. Tango Tamer for wet, dry hair. Yes, nice product. I have this one in the past and yes, it's worth recommending. Then as a detangler, it's one of my favorites, the Shem Moisture Marshmallow. Extra moisture detangler with slippery L and marshmallow extract. Anti-frizz moisture shine thick, wavy, unruly hair. I went through many bottles of it. I already have 2 backups. And you know what? You cannot go wrong with this product. And it does lives to its claims. And what else we have next? It's the Garnier 1 Minute Mask. This one is Damage Repair Treat with papaya extract. It smells really nice. Yeah, it's like, it smells so nice, you almost want to eat it. From this range, there are many different masks, but I do enjoy the papaya. I try almost everyone, and you know what? Not all of them are good, but this one, it is worth recommending. And I think I already have a big size of it. From Pantene, I have their shampoo and conditioner. That's their Gold Series with argan oil. I have shampoo infused with argan oil, shampoo to gently cleanse and slightly soften hair for dry, damaged hair, sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free. And then from the same line, we have conditioner, natural transitioning and relaxed hair. As a shampoo and conditioner, it wasn't bad. I use it up, but it wasn't nothing special. Shampoo as a shampoo, supposed to only clean your hair. The conditioner was nice. However, yes, I did use it up. The shampoo cleaned the hair, and conditioner smooth it out, I should say. It was easier for me to brush it, but it didn't really surprise me. I was more happier with this wave products. That's their keratin infusion smoothing shampoo and conditioner for freezing and unmanageable hair. And you know what? Those two, even though they are way cheaper than Pantene, they did a way better job than the other one. And I think that's it. That's what I have for hair and body. And in the next part, I'm gonna include face and makeup, so stay tuned.